Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to fix iPhone not ringing. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to check on the toggle button found on the upper left corner of your iPhone. So you may see that toggle button. Make sure that the toggle button is not showing the orange color. Instead, it will just show the same color as your iPhone. And then you may also see the pop-up right here, which says your phone is on silent mode or is on the ringer mode. And then if it still doesn't work, if you have the assisted touch, you just simply click on your assisted touch and click on device and make sure that the button found on the rightmost part, which is this one, is turned into um mute. So the word is mute, which means that your phone is currently not on mute. So if you click that, then your phone is on mute. And if you click that, then your phone is not on mute. And then for the third step, you just open your settings and then go to sounds and haptics. And right here, make sure that the volume is turned on and not turned on the lowest volume. And then you can also choose a ringtone that you want. So make sure to choose a ringtone that is loud. So I suggest you should choose uplift, waves, and you simply click on it so that you may try the loud ringtones available. And then as well as the text tones, you should try them all out and see if which is applicable for you. And then, if all of these steps still doesn't work, what I would suggest is you go to the Apple or Mac Center or your nearest phone store wherein they can repair your speaker if there is any error or need to be repaired. So that's it. That's how you can fix iPhone not ringing. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.